I need is a bad bitch that get green like cabbage. On the post, she do damage. Pussy meaner than a savage. Have a nigga speaking Spanish. Head game make a nigga wanna shiver like I'm on the Titanic. Once I wake up, I think about guap. Go with that money, ain't right there, we hitting the block. Make sure that you watch out for cops. Interrogate this nigga once he just stops. Cause we ain't trying to see jail, ho. I got all this coke to sell, ho. And if we both locked up, bitch, who the fuck supposed to bail, ho? So just roll up this weed, either the telly or streets. Bitch, we are both gonna eat. You gotta be quick on your feet. Into just Greek, into just me. Cause this nigga might look like an ordinary nigga, but he might have some extraordinary figures. Gotta get it like it's never been gotten. Drop that pussy to the bottom, or you could be like pepperoni and be on top, bitch. I like bust it open out. Get this money out. Bust it open out. Ain't no shit, bitch, do your thing. Just make sure you ahead of the game. You know around me, cash rules everything. You know around me, cash rules everything. Hold up, bust it open out. Bust it open out. Get this money out. Bust it open out, so they know. Man, I swear I love her, bitch, just like a fucking pit bull. And she be popping like some pistols. And she hotter than some Crisco, that's you the fried chicken. And that's the only thing she getting. When she not around, that nigga wishing that I could just grab on that pussy and just bust the pussy open. I swear the pussy like the grill, that pussy be smoking. Every day that pussy, I will be poking. Bitch, I ain't joking, shit. Got a nigga like, oh baby, the things you do, baby. Make a nigga wanna share that pussy with my crew, baby. I seen you out with your heels on. You got a nigga real hard. You have my dick into your pussy, that right there will be real smart. This could be your favorite movie, you can play the part. You could be the main actress. My dick is sharper than a cactus. You say that you's a freak, when you say that you's a practice. Whole lot. Pick up from his fucking baby Kodak. Better keep that pussy on lock, hold low jack. And if you hit the strip and get the chips, you better bring it all back. The jewelry, the iPhones and all that, I swear I love a bad bitch that run the muck up in the spot and do damage. Titties big, ass big, she a savage. Fuck what these hoes gotta say, these hoes are average. This is for the bad bitches, bad bitches everywhere. Bad bitches everywhere. Damn, I swear that you could be in front of a magazine. Damn, I swear that you would fucking get a queen. Bad bitches sing to me like da 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 da. Bad bitches sing to me like bad bitches all that I need. If you cut a nigga, bad bitches all that I bleed. Running through these strips, all this cash we receive. You would thought that this cash that came off some tree. All this money we don't see. You think that shit is growing on some trees. And I love when a bad bitch dies.
Baby, you send me. Said adrift on the river, so you